Windows 11 is a powerful operating system, but out of the box, it comes with background tracking and telemetry services that constantly share your data without you even knowing. In today's video, I'll show you a simple and powerful tool that gives you full control over Windows privacy and data sharing settings. Using this tool, you can easily disable telemetry, location services, and other unwanted features like Copilot Plus, helping you take back control of your system. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Alright, first open your browser and search for O&O ShutUp10. Open the official website, scroll down, click on Download tab. Here you'll see the download options. If you're using a 32-bit system, download the 32-bit version. There's also an ARM64 version for devices like Microsoft Surface or laptops with ARM processors. I am using 64-bit Windows version, so I'll download the 64-bit version. This tool offers a wide range of powerful features that let you control what data Windows is allowed to share. As you scroll down the page, you'll see exactly what you can manage, including privacy and telemetry settings, Windows apps and background activity, location access, sensors, device permissions, and many other options that give you full control over your data and privacy. Once the download is complete, right-click on the file and run it. There's no installation required. The tool opens directly. You'll see on your screen a large list of settings that you can enable or disable as needed. Before making any changes though, it's important to create a restore point so you can easily roll back if something goes wrong. To do that, click on the Actions menu and select Create a System Restore Point. You'll see a confirmation pop-up appear. Just click the Yes button to continue. Give it a moment and the restore point will be created automatically. Once the restore point is created, we can safely start disabling features that aren't necessary. If you're not sure which settings to turn off, there's an easy and safe option for that. Go to the Actions menu and click on Apply Only Recommended Settings. You'll see a confirmation showing that around 69 settings have been successfully applied. These are all recommended and safe changes, so you don't need to worry about breaking anything. After that, switch to the Copilot tab. Since Copilot can collect and record data while it's active, go ahead and click the Disable button to turn it off completely. Once everything is done, simply restart your system to apply all the changes properly. Once the system boots up, you'll notice that a lot of background tracking and spying features in Windows 11 are effectively disabled. The next time you start using your PC, the difference will be very noticeable. Everything feels smoother, faster, and more responsive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.